How to add friends in Dragon City. Now in this quick video, I'll show you one of the method for you to be able to add friends and playing the Dragon City application. So first, before you go ahead and pull up the game, make sure that you're using the latest version of the app so that you will have this kind of feature. Adding friends is very simple. Just open up the application, and this is going to be your dashboard. At the lower left portion of your screen, you should see three options like social, storage, and battle. Choose on social. And then under social, you will only see three options in here. It's like friends, rankings, and alliances. Simply choose on friends and then tap on here we go. So as you can see, I'm already logged in into my Dragon City account. But if you're not yet logged in, you'll only see two options in there, like log in with Facebook or log in as guest. So once you've successfully logged in via your Facebook account, you will automatically see all your friends who played Dragon City under this social field right here. Now, if you would like to invite friends that haven't played the game, at the top right, you simply tap on the gear icon and you will automatically be redirected here and then choose on community. And from here, just simply choose on whatever social media platform you'd like to use for you to share the game and then invite your friends into the simply choose on any social media platform that you can right here and then have them shared into your account for that your friends just simply tapping on them on the shared post that you did and then you will automatically be adding them. And that is how you add friends in Dragon City.